Now we are getting into how professional teams actually collaborate, and this is where GitHub really shines just beyond Git or beyond just Git pull requests. So this is the mechanism that the pull request is the mechanism that enables the code review, the quality control, the knowledge sharing in modern software teams. So whether you're at Google, a startup, or contributing to open source, pull requests are how it's done. Right. So in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you what pull requests are, why they are critical, and how they have become the standard for professional software development. And this is team collaboration at its finest. So let's dive in.
All the staged changes right now, because each commit is like taking a photograph of your project, right? So you also write a message explaining what changed and why. Say for example, if you are like walking 10 steps from one place to another place, right? So if you're taking photograph for each of your step, it's like you're walking from one place to another, but at each point of time you're moving one step ahead, right? So that is what exactly is happening here. So you're gonna take a picture of your each step in your project. So each commit that you make is like taking a photograph of your project. Okay. But again, when you keep each step, right, when you do each commit, you have to actually write a message as well, like what you changed at this point of commit. Say, for example, I personally, I do, like, for example, if I update a code in a Terraform file or in a YAML file. I used to add that. I made this, not like a very big story, but a kind of a one-liner that this particular change. Because next time when I wanted to understand what changes I made, I can easily understand through the commit message. And that's what we use the commit message for. And okay, once you commit your changes, you're going to push your changes to the remote. Okay, so you're going to share it with your team. So once you're committed locally, you will push those commits to the remote repository on the GitHub. That is the remote, the social networking for the code. So now your teammates can see your changes and your work is backed up in the cloud. So that's what happens with starting from the Git and it ends with the GitHub. So these 5 steps, that is the initialization or cloning, editing, staging commits, pushing your code, where you will repeat this cycle hundreds of times. So it becomes the second nature for you. Any doubts in terms of the basic Git workflow?
No.
No?